Hi everyone, today I'm going to unbox, review, and I will show you how to install the Thinkware U1000 Dashcam. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, today I want to thank Thinkware for sending us their latest Dashcam, the U1000. This camera is so cool. It has the 4K Ultra HD quality, and it has the Sony XOR Starvis chip, which provides a clear quality video feed. And also it has the cloud service from Thinkware and super night vision and Wi-Fi and GPS locator, which is really cool. The thing is, it will provide location where the video is being taken. That's right. And also it has the road safety warning, which I haven't seen before from my previous Dashcam, which is super cool. And also it has the safety camera alert, parking mode, and it also has an app for it that can be used on both iPhone and Android. You're probably wondering, why install a Dashcam? Today I'm going to install the Dashcam on my wife and daughter's Fiat 500, since they use this car a lot to go places, and so it's about time. Just in case they get into an accident, it'll be easier for us to provide evidence what happened on the road. The thing is, when you get into an accident, you have to provide proof, and it's super hard to prove it to the cops, to the judge. Okay, if you get into an accident, you will get into exchange of words from the other person. If the person hit you, he or she may blame you for doing something. But the thing is, with having a Dashcam, all the evidence, okay, you can provide the judge if you have to go to court, or the cops who will be coming to the accident site with proof. Then there'll be no exchange of word. Okay, if it's your fault, it's gonna show it's your fault. If it's the other driver's fault, it's gonna show it's the other's fault, right? So there'll be no like arguments, because all the evidence are gonna be recorded right here, right? So anyway, when I come back, let's unbox this Dashcam. I'll be back. I'm really excited today. Let's go ahead and unbox the Thinkware Dashcam. Look at that. Oh, this is important part: the quick start guide and warranty information. And whoa, look at this, the ultra high definition digital recorder, and it's so cool. Look at that. This looks so modern. Look at that, the 4K QHD. I better put it in the plastic until we're ready installing it, and take the box out and see what's inside here. Ooh, look at this. Oh, the cool thing about the Thinkware U1000 model, not only it has the front facing camera, which gonna go right here, it also has the rear view camera right here, which you can install in the back of the car. So you get not only the front video feed, you get the rear video feed, which is so cool. It's really important. If you get rear-ended from the back, this rear video camera will show the whole entire story, what happened. Super cool. And this is the long cable that are gonna be used to connect the main unit to the rear camera unit. And oh, it has the cigarette lighter charger, okay, power source for the camera. Oh, the cool thing about the Thinkware camera, not only they give you the cigarette lighter power source, it gives you this cable right here. Look at this. You can use this cable for powering the camera through the fuse box. That's right. I don't know how to install this yet. There is a detailed instruction right here on how to do it. Also, Thinkware is very nice to send us the Thinkware Dashcam accessories, the hand wiring cable. Basically is this guy right here, just in case I need an extra. And look at this, and bunch of warranty information. Oh, and then the 3M mounting kit right here for the front facing camera. And look at this, this is the, I think it's the memory USB, what do you call that, adapter. If you want to get the feed from the memory card to your computer, you can use this. Oh my goodness, this is so important. A lot of Dashcam companies, they don't provide you with memory, but Thinkware, they are generous enough to give us this, which is very important. The thing is, Dashcams, they won't work without this. Sometimes you have to go and buy it separately, but Thinkware U1000 includes the memory card in the box. Super cool. And you got mounting kit for the rear camera. Oh, an extra one for the front facing camera, just in case you lose one. So anyway, when I come back, I'll show you how to install it. I'll be back. Hi everyone, let's go ahead and install the Thinkware U1000. First of all, we're gonna put the memory card right here in the memory card slot, and this part always face, you know, where the front side, where the record button is. So you slide it like that. Yeah, my daughter is here today to help me. Thank you, Brianna. And just click it like that, and then it's super easy. If for those of you who are not technical, this installation actually is pretty easy. I'm not very technical, so I'm always excited when I see an easy product, you know, that I can use for my cars. And you just, okay, this part is gonna be on the top like that, and then you just do it like, put it like right there, and then slide it, and then get this 3M tape off. Okay, before we do this, you want to make sure that you put the camera right in the middle. The thing is, it has the traffic alert. You want to make sure the camera is not gonna be located on the left or the right. It has to be right here
in the center.
In the center. The thing is, the, what do you call that? Yeah, the, oops, this one right here. The road safety warning will tell you if you're going off the road. So you want to put everything in the middle. Okay, the camera right here in the middle. So you just get the 3M tape off like that. Voila.
Peel it.
And then make sure you install it right in the middle.
Right in the center.
Yep, center of the windshield. Right there. It's perfect. Then what you want to do, look at this, it's so easy. Well, and now we want to make sure get the like, oops, I accidentally pressed the hazard light. So we want to get the, let me see, what is that? Oh yeah, right here, the rear view camera in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the back, and right here, come here, Brandon. Yeah, the thing is, I'm gonna put it somewhere. This one, I think it doesn't have to be right in the center, so I'm gonna, actually, yeah, I'm gonna put it in the center since it's gonna be right there.
Just to be uniform.
Yeah, uniform.
Just in case.
I'm gonna run the line right here, there. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this. Yeah, this one is it's a little bit sticky. It's really hard to peel because the 3M has a super, yeah, adhesive. So anyway,
Adhesive, yeah.
Adhesive, yeah, adhesive, yeah, that's right. It's really hard to peel, so just be aware. If you don't have any nail like me, it's gonna be a while before you can peel this. Anyway, I'll be back. Make sure you peel this cover here before you mount the camera, and then you just go ahead make sure there is no finger smudge right there. Just put it like that, press it, and then aim it to the rear, right, like that. Now from here, you want to get this cable. The cool thing about this cable, you can run it through the trim of the car, which I'm gonna do. It's really long, so you don't have to worry that you don't have enough cable, because it's super long like that. Yeah, I'm really excited. So it's just you gotta put this part right here. Show them, Brandon. It's in the back right here, like that. Actually, I'm gonna go this way, like that, and then this is the fun part. We're gonna go ahead and run this thing all the way up to the front of the camera. It'll be easier when you have this tool right here, trim pusher, so you can go ahead and push it like that. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna run it through here and here and here. So anyway, I'll be back when I'm done. Yeah, my daughter is trying to hide the power cable right now. What we do is to run the cable connector from the front facing camera all the way to the front from the trim right here. So we try to hide it right there, and we go through this side of the car and we hide it right here. Yeah, it's really hard. And then we go up there and go all the way to the front facing camera. Yeah, my daughter is trying to finish the last part, so I'll be back. Once you install the Dashcam, you want to go ahead and install the Thinkware Cloud from Apple Store or Google Store. Okay, so you want to get the Thinkware what do you call that, Wi-Fi, and then what you want to do now, you want to go to the Thinkware camera right here.
Connected to a smartphone.
It is connected, right? And you can get the live view. Voila, now you can see that, right? The live view is here. You can view it from your phone. So yeah, so that's all there is to it. The installation manual is gonna be in this booklet. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you how we install the front and the back when I come back. I'll be back. Hey everyone, we want to show you how my daughter was able to connect the front facing camera to the rear facing camera. What my daughter did, she ran the video connector cable all the way through the trim right here, all the way down on the driver side down here. Show them, Brenna, just down there, and then she ran it through the passenger seats, and then what we do is, come here, Brenna, we run it through this side. See that? And then we just have to push this using a trim pusher. We hide the cable using a trim pusher unit. That one, I haven't pushed this one yet. So anyway, make sure everything is pushed like that, and we run it here. Make sure you put a little bit cable right here, since this is how, when the trunk is open, probably around maybe a little bit, maybe like 10, is it 10 inches, you think? Maybe less, right? 8,
Maybe 12, maybe 11,
yeah.
I don't know.
So just put some cable from the trim right here, so when you open the trunk, you won't pull the cable out. So anyway, yeah, it's pretty good. So it's gonna look like that, the rear facing camera. And what my daughter did for the power, from the the cigarette lighter power source. So you pull it through here all the way down here and up here, and finally to go to the front facing camera. It's pretty easy, as you can see. It's been a father and daughter project today, so I'm really excited now that the Thinkware U1000 is finally installed. So I'm really happy that my wife and daughter, they have the Dashcam on their Fiat 500. It gives me more peace of mind now that, you know, their car is covered with Dashcam. So if something happened, like accident, incident, everything will be recorded on this Dashcam camera. You know. Anyway, thank you Thinkware for sending us the Thinkware U1000. This is super cool camera, super easy to install. So anyway, make sure if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and share this video for your friends or your family who wants to learn how to install Dashcam. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.